So yeah, it's been a while since I did a tutorial on my channel. Don't know why, but I've been busy with other things. So yeah, this is a small tutorial on how you can use an ATEM to control a virtual camera in Unreal Engine 5. I wouldn't rely on this method completely, but it is fun while it works. Any update to the Blackmagic ATEM can break this workflow and needs to update it on my side, or you can update it yourself if you want to, or make something for it. So you can get it on my GitHub. I will leave a link in the description. And when you have that, you will get this plugin for Unreal Engine. Make sure to place it in the plugins folder. I'm using 5.5, by the way. And with it in this folder, there's an ATEM Connect Win. So what we're gonna do is within the ATEM, you have different cameras, and I want to say what camera is gonna control from the ATEM the virtual camera in Unreal Engine. So for instance, if I want to have camera 1, I want to use this control service within the ATEM to control the virtual camera. So I'm going to double click ATEM Connect Win. So let's say I want to use cam 3. So I'm going to do cam 3, enter, and then I'm going to write the IP of my ATEM, 192.168.1.227. It will say connected to ATEM switcher. There is still an error. I haven't fixed it yet, but it will work. And the WebSocket address to connect the Unreal Engine 5 will be the following. So now if we're in Unreal Engine 5, I have an empty level, or actually I probably have the camera set up. Yeah, I have a example set up. So within the plugins folder, there is an example of some of the things that you can do with this. So this is just a regular blueprint actor. Here is the address that we got from the ATEM Connect Win. So this address, I'm just gonna copy paste this here. We're gonna set a WebSocket. We're gonna connect to the WebSocket, and then every time a message received, we're gonna use that data for different things within our plugin. So, like you see here, I've made a couple of examples. The plugin is made to make your own camera, but you can get started with just the example. So now if we hit, and now just to make it easy, I set that when the level starts, it will set that camera as active camera. So now when I press play, we set it to 3. We can control the iris through the ATEM software. If you have the panel, you can also do that. You can control the white balance. I think I set up gain, so you can do some color adjustments. You can do the shutter. If we can go to the full control, the color correction control, we can actually change the saturation. We can even change the contrast. And yeah, so if we go back to the actual blueprint, just take a look how I set it up, and as you see, I'm still not using all the values that I'm getting, so you can still use that for other things within your virtual camera. And that's it. Yeah, maybe I'm gonna make some more tutorials later, but they will not be as frequent like I did like a year ago, but only when I make something new. So thank you for watching.